It's important to remember that you have 2 ears to hear, 2 eyes to see, and 1 mouth to talk. We had this saying in prison, see everything, say nothing, okay? Everything, you should notice everything going on around you, but it doesn't mean you have to comment on it. It doesn't mean you have to let everybody know that you notice everything. It doesn't mean that you have to talk about it, or even with other people. Let other people know what's going on. You don't need to do that, but you should see everything. A smart person can pretend to be stupid. A stupid person can't pretend to be smart. That's something that you got to keep in mind about life in general, okay? You don't need to let everybody know every single thing running around in your head, okay? My grandfather used to say, your mind is not a gumball machine. It's not, you don't have to, every little thought that enters your brain does not have to be let out into the world for public consumption. There are thoughts that you have in your brain, there are thoughts and feelings and beliefs you have in your brain that are probably not politically correct, that would probably get most people fired from their job if they said them. You know, there's things that you should say, and there's things you shouldn't say. And this also correlates to the station you have in life. You know if you're a person that can get away with saying edgier things, okay? You know if you're one of the Sam Hydes of this world, and you know if you're a Jordan Jareb of this world, and you know if you're just a guy that, you know, if you say something like, you know what I mean? If you say something too raunchy, you're going to lose everything. And, you know, people lose everything for saying the wrong stuff. It can happen to people at very high up in society even, and not even just, you know, these days I would say higher up people in society have the privilege of being able to say more raunchy things. And it's more reserved for people that have more money, more power, more influence. But even people that are already, depending on what type of influence you have, you know, if you're somebody like, I don't know, let's just throw a name out there, somebody on MSNBC, Anderson Cooper, okay? Imagine if Anderson Cooper went on his show right now and just dropped the N-bomb. His career would be over, right? If Sam Hyde drops the N-bomb, it's just another day. In prison, you can say whatever you want if you're connected, if you're in a, you know, a gang. You know, if you're in a white prison gang, you know, you just say whatever you want. I could say crazy things because I was connected with the white guys. I wasn't in a gang, but I was under their protection. I was, you know, when I went into prison, I was protected by the Unforgiven prison gang because prior to going in there, I was part of a white militia group when I was younger. So when I went to prison, I was protected by the whites. Just remember, say less. It doesn't mean say nothing. Pay more attention to what's happening around you. I know I'm very talkative, but I get paid to talk, okay? I get paid for my opinions. And not everybody's, you know, I know this, before we sign off, I know this one guy, and he compares himself to every other person. This one guy I know compares himself to everybody else. If you're not that person, don't compare yourself to some famous guy or some rich guy. That ain't you. If that is you, you know it. You already know it. I don't need to tell you. There's some big animal up there, maybe a hog or something. Hey, little hoggy. Hey. If you like this video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell icon, all that good stuff. Check out the merchandise that we sell. Jordan Jareb. See you guys in the next one. Signing off.